The next quality is Jitatmana. Jit means winner or victory. It is related to that word, and Atmana means self, and Atma also means soul. So your ultimate self is basically soul. Jit Atmana means the one who has conquered himself, and this is the beauty of traditional Vedic concept, that you don't have to win outside, you have to win inside, you have to win yourself. And as far as I've heard, I think the word jihad also means the same thing, that don't have to fight outside things, you have to fight your own fears, you have to fight your own desires. And when you are through with all stages of desire, anger, frustration, attachment, and all these things, you have conquered your senses. Now, these people, they are beyond their senses. Many saints, they have been beheaded, they have been burned, they have been hanged, but they were beyond their senses. They did not just give in, they didn't get scared because they'll be beaten or they'll be burned. They were beyond their senses. These are the people who don't go running for tasty food. They're not attached to television. They're not obsessed about sexual interaction. Shabda, Sparsh, Roop, Ras, Gandha. These are 5 senses. They are beyond Shabda, Sparsh, Roop, Ras, Gandha. Shabda, that means if you talk to them nicely, they will be fine. If you don't talk to them nicely, they will be fine. Sparsha, they will not be scared of physical pain. Rupa, that means sight, they will not be watching Netflix whole day. They will not look at things, they will not like things if they look beautiful, and they will not hate things if they don't look beautiful, they are ugly. The same, they have a balance of thought. Rasa, they have a control over their tongue, whether they are speaking or they are eating. They can eat healthy, tasteless food, and they will refrain from unhealthy, tasteful food. So that is Jitatmana. These are the people who have control over their senses. They are not guided by their senses. Okay, and the biggest sense is mind. It is called Atindriya. Indriya is a word for sense, and Atindriya means it's the supreme sense, that is mind. So basically the word Jitatmana refers to someone who's conquered his mind.